Hey guys! Today I'll be doing a quick and simple breakdown of the urinary system. Quick note, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. The more subscribers we get, the more videos we make. It's a win-win for everyone. Now let's get down to it. The urinary system is composed of the kidneys, the ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. These must be functioning properly in order for urine and waste to be properly eliminated. Let's start with the kidneys. We have the left and the right kidney. Think of the kidneys as a filtration center. This is where waste from the blood is filtered. The functional unit of the kidneys is the nephron, where urine is formed. The nephron is responsible for filtration, reabsorption, secretion, and excretion. The kidneys are also responsible for producing erythropoietin, which is a crucial hormone that maintains a normal red blood cell volume in the body. Next up are the ureters. These tubular structures leave the kidneys and enter the bladder through the back. The urine that travels through the ureters is sterile and is transported to the bladder in spurts via peristaltic waves. Next up in the urinary system is the bladder. The bladder is a muscular organ that stores urine until it's excreted from the body. And last but not least, the urethra is the last part of the urinary system. The urethra is a tubular structure that excretes urine from the bladder. If you learned anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.